Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G32. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet and show device controls. Then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And next we can enable or disable dark theme and schedule it. Next we can change font size, display size, enable or disable night light, schedule it and change its intensity. Then we can change colors of the display, change display refresh rate between auto 60 and 90 Hz, enable or disable auto rotate screen, enable or disable full screen mode for apps, set screensaver, enable or disable attentive display, peak display, three finger screenshot, swipe to split, and manage screen record settings. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.